Thinning hair can be a source of embarrassment and loss of confidence, but there are effective ways to hide balding areas. The right haircut can draw attention away from thinning areas, with longer hair being less ideal for thinning hair. Blow drying your hair with a hot air dryer can add volume and make it appear thicker. Styling your hair with a side part can help conceal bald spots. Volumizing powder can also create the appearance of thickness. Dyeing your roots darker can make your hair look thicker. Spray-on hair dye can temporarily fill in thinning areas. Minoxidil and Propecia are clinically proven products that can slow down further hair loss. Hair transplants can regrow hair in balding areas, but they should be done by professional surgeons and can be expensive. Wigs and hairpieces have improved with technology and can completely cover baldness. Lastly, wearing a comfortable hat can provide a quick and easy solution to cover up bald spots.